All about freedom, all of us of freedom. This video will not take so much time, but I'm bringing it to you at this point and at this moment for every one of you to understand what is going on, and every one of you to see and to hear from me exactly what I've heard and exactly what I've seen when it comes to Biafra restoration. So this video will be splitted by two. One's going to be specifically saying more about Peter Obi, his discussion and his words at Chatham House, United Kingdom. And secondly, about Biafra restoration. Like I said, they're all going to be two in one video, but splitted together, but they're going to be in one packet. So with that being said, I will go straight forward without taking your time to Peter Obi, his interviews, his words, his speech in the Chatham House. As you can see, I will also put the video. I will send the full packet of that video of Chatham House and his interview and everything that went on right there at Chatham House. Okay, and all the questions and all the information and everything he has said, and what people also said on the background, I will send it to you. So with that being said, we're going to dive in straight to Peter Obi, but this is going to be like an advice. All right, we all knew that Peter Obi is an Igbo man and is actually running for the political position in Nigeria come I think of February or something like that. So without going forward, Peter Obi is actually a very learned individual, and you and I know that Peter Obi is going to, if he's allowed to carry out his plans in Nigeria, is going to revive the economy. But you and I also know that the economy of that country, it will be difficult for them to allow Peter Obi to revive the Nigeria economy. Nigeria economy is in the high dicey area. It's in the hand of the almost 85% of evil or criminal politicians. Peter Obi is coming out right there. It's not going to be easy. Matter of fact, even though Peter Obi win, like I said, I keep saying the same thing, they will not allow Peter Obi to sit as a president. You have a lot of fights to do. He has a lot of international syndicates to fight. And most of these international people, almost international affiliated people that he's going to also complain that will come to the aid to fight for him, are also beneficiaries of the corrupt system in Nigeria. So the chances of Peter Obi trying to gain access to his win over the vote after the elections is slim and tiny. It's going to be a slim, tiny line between love and hate. So with this, I must say, Peter Obi, this is an advice to you from me. Why don't you channel all those strength, channel all those power, channel all those energy to restoration of Biafra. For all those things you have said in Chatham House, we heard everything, and it's a good one. We applaud you, we appreciate all that you have said. But at the same time, because these people are cabal, and you are not among that cabal, they will not allow you to have peace or to rule. Even your cabinet members will be bought over. Like I said, Peter Obi, if you can hear this video, if you can hear me, channel your attention to United Nations, to ICC, to every world departmental unit that can help us get Biafra. And also channel it in releasing Nnamdi Kanu from prison to enable you guys to work, all of us work together in achieving Biafra. With that being said, we can build Biafra. We can build a nation. We can build it better than even Dubai or any other international world nation. So, with this that I have said, I will come back to another one, which is to Biafra this time. Like I said, it's going to be in one packet. So with Biafra, getting Biafra is not you sitting at home. It's not you sitting at home, cross your leg, and begins to say one thing or the other. Listen, getting Biafra is a tough movement. We have to do everything possible to frustrate the government of that contraction called Nigeria. Everything to frustrate them has to be carried out. One, when they declare sit at home, you have to make sure you sit at home. If they declare we need Biafran posters all over everywhere in Biafra land, we need to make sure everything there is happening. If you hear in the news that the budget was disbursed to the governors and to the local government, make sure every cent, every kobo is actually carried out in development of that money that was shared out. You make sure that all the teachers and everybody that is supposed to get their pensions, the retired ones get all their pensions. You have to make sure that all the rural areas, every money assigned to it is carried out to the letter. You have to make sure that the school system also appreciate and acknowledge and also have in movement of Biafra referendum and Biafra movement and everything that has to do with Biafra when it comes with educating our kids about where we come from, about Biafra money, about Biafra, about internal Biafra. As a matter of fact, I will bring in my next video the currency of Biafra, so that people will understand that this money, this Biafra issue we're talking about has been in existence, and actually is in the central bank. In the World Bank, they also have an account for Biafra. That account is still running till today. We only have the access to that account only when we have achieved, when we have gotten Biafra. Let me tell you, there's a lot of people today that are willing to come and invest in Biafra. Only in Biafra land. Only in Biafra land. They know that is why they are holding the Biafra down. They know what Biafra will make. That's why they are trying to stop the Biafra movement. They know what Biafra will achieve, because Biafra will top the world. That is why they are fighting for us not to get it. But because we are serving God, we are people of God, we are dedicated people fighting for this restoration of Biafra, we are going to get what we need. All we need is focus and determination, and stop this attitude of kicking against one another. We have to stop this attitude of fighting one another. We have to stop this attitude of fighting Simon Ekpa, or Simon's fighting this other group, or fighting these other people. We are all Biafrans. Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, the indigenous people of Biafra. We should at this point channel our strength in releasing our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, that is what we should be talking about right now. You know, as you can see, the politicians are not even after that. Soludo had just made his own remark the other day saying that they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to him. These are political talk. These are political talk. I'm still saying it again. As many people have said it, so many people have said the same. Let me tell you something. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out as a free man. And I bet you, and I'm telling you, Biafra will come. So in general, I will conclude this in saying that all the Igbo politicians, all the Igbo chiefs and Eze and whatever you are, and all the Igbo governors, rally round all you can. Rally round all you can. Help us in every way forward to achieve Biafra. It is your goal, it is your target, because Biafra is your religion. Biafra is your land. If you allow the foreigners, the Fulanis, to take over what your forefathers, your ancestors has laid on floor for you, that means you are all called Efulefus. You are all called Efulefus. You have to make sure that Biafra is achieved. You have to make sure Biafra is gotten. Even as the Fulanis today are stealing all the gold, are taking all the gold in Zamfara, taking all the oil resources which they have discovered in the north, using the format system which is called the 19 northern state company to make all the oil, and nobody is saying anything. The one in Niger Delta is the one everybody is clamoring for. I want to tell you, let Biafra come, so that these people can go their way, so that you can go your way and build your tent, O Israel. I've told you the same, I'll be saying it again. Biafra will come. Thank you as you shared this video. Thank you as you also let Peter Obi know to channel his strength. his agitation, his campaign into restoration of Biafra. I want to let you know that as you share this, Biafra will come, and God bless you as I see you again. Thank you.